Hey guys, how's it going? I hope everybody's doing good. So it's been a while, like I always seem to say in my videos since I posted a video. But I've been trying to get ready for Minnesota and the day has finally come. So road trip time! I'm super excited but sad at the same time because I had to say bye to all my family. So that was really hard to do. And right now I am in Oklahoma, on the Oklahoma border of the Red River, so you know I got some aerial footage of that. So but yeah, Minnesota, here I come. Hope y'all are ready for me. Okay, this is stressful, y'all. My first time driving in snow. So far my car is handling it, but my stress level is not. I'm taking it slow.
I've been driving many miles, it's getting hard for me to smile. I need somewhere to stretch my legs and think. In this tree and shrouded shrine, I'll park my auto for a time to take a walk and maybe get a drink. In this nook of Minnesota, I can buy myself a soda, even check the singles personnels. Here I'm never on my own, cause I got maps and telephones, despite the fact most people own a cell. Minnesota rest stop, bringing me comfort on this long journey. It's where I go for protection and I pause for reflection and take a pee. The place is kept so nice and needy, isn't really much graffiti. In fact, I was expecting more. The only other residents are rarely seen old gentlemen who lives behind the janitor's door. Minnesota rest stop, bringing me comfort on this long journey. It's where I go for protection and I pause for reflection and take a pee. I'm taking a pee at a Minnesota rest stop on Highway 53. Actually 35, but that didn't rhyme.